Okay, classes. So we do have now the second portion of the test, which is on Thursday, where you guys will have to complete a presentation, which is the fourth section actually. Fourth section, second day of the test. So on the fourth section, as you can see on the screen, is your information about yourself. So you are going to create a Google slide, and you are going to, on the first item, you are going to add 2 to 3 slides containing only images, only pictures, photographs, drawings, symbols, etc., representing your nombre, origen, cumpleaños, age, likes and dislikes. I need 3 for each, 3 identities, and you should have a total of 2 to 3 slides in that section. So that's the first section. Then on the second section, it will be 1 slide only containing images that represents identities and likes and from a classmate or a family member. Yeah. And then you are going to upload your presentation in Clever. So for that, I am just going to show you how you do this, right? So you will have to go to Clever, and that is, as you can see, this is activity 23, so 23. So when I go to Clever, I go to the Wayside, and then I click, oh, what's going on here? So I go to Wayside. Once I enter on Wayside, I am going to go to my assignments, and then I find under October 3rd, if you see it under calendar, you'll see under October 3rd. If not, just switch calendar to list, and then you should be able to see the assignments, yeah? So October, so 3rd, you will see Actividad 23. And that's where you see your activity. So.
Hey, I gotta go see if my car's gonna start.
Sorry, I'm recording. Sorry about that. So you are, I don't want to restart the recording, so sorry. What you're gonna do is you are going to start your presentation. So once you have all your presentation ready to go, you are going to add the file right here. Yeah. So you add the file, put your presentation in, and it should upload it right there. Now, if for some reason you cannot find the presentation or you have trouble adding it here on Clever, please just email it to me at parmanm@billingschools.org. So you will have to just share the file with me. Again, parmanm, and I'm typing it right here, parmanm@billingschools.org. And this is just in case if you could not upload the presentation on Clever, please try to do it on Clever. And if for some reason something's failing and you cannot do it, then share with me through my email. Yeah. But then also you will have to add a recording. So once you add your file, you verify that it's there, then go down and you find the start recording. On here, as the instructions mention, you have to do an explanation of yourself and also your partner. So you're speaking a narration for the 2 first slides, actually. No, only 2 first slides. So, and here you will have to introduce pretty much yourself. Yeah. So you put pictures that represent your likes and dislikes. So then you have to talk about yourself. I do have an example of the presentation that I did. So let me show you what I have for you so you guys kind of get an idea of what information you can add. When you do this, please get closer to the microphone. Yeah. As you can see, you have to record right here. So start recording, and then you start talking to close to the computer, and then do not stop the recording until you're done explaining the 2 first slides of your presentation. Then you put stop, and then you click submit. Yeah. Now, once you're done, you can close submit, and then you can close everything. Remember, it's 2 items in here: to add your file presentation and then add the recording. Now, look what I have for you. I do have an example. I did one, and you can see it here. So, oh, that's not it, sorry. Basically, you create the presentation, and then you record on top of it. Let me find it here. Sorry, I'm taking too long. um, right here. So, as you notice, I did add my pictures. Yeah. And here I just kind of added for it's just an example, right? And then I added my recording. And notice how like you have the pictures, and then you obviously you won't be able to add the recording to the presentation because the recording has to be done in Clever. So here's where you add the presentation, here's where you add the recording. Yeah. Let's say that you want to record again, just erase that file and then start recording again. Yeah. You can do as many times as you need. Yada, 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 yada. Start recording and submit. Obviously, once you submit, you cannot modify anything. Yeah. So you just have to make sure that you don't submit until you're sure that you complete everything. So that's your presentation. And then once you're done, you're done. Yeah. So just if you finish early and you finish right away, just read a book or just wait until class is over. We cannot use the phones during class, so make sure that you are not using your phone. Make sure that you put everything away. Your backpack should be on the back of the room. And the only thing that you should have in your possession is a Chromebook and your headphones. Okay? When I'm back, I will review your test, and then I will give you some feedback and how you did. Hopefully you understood everything, and I will see you later. Ciao.